In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the insider wallets on Axiom. So first, you'll need an Axiom account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom account, what I like to do to find insider wallets is I like to go to polls over here, and I like to filter over here under migrated. So the way you do this is by actually clicking the filters over here where it says migrated, and then I go to migrated, and then I go to metrics over here, and then I put the market cap to 1 million. And after doing that, you want to click apply all, and you will have basically the same settings as me. Now, of course, you can adjust that if you want to, but for me, this seems to be working well, and I've managed to find some good insider wallets by doing this. Now, after you do this over here, you will see a few coins. Usually there won't be that many. And then if you go to a random coin over here, for example, on this JFK one, it's just an example. You want to go down here, scroll down until you see different options over here. And the tab you want to open is holders. And under holders, usually at the very top, you will be able to get some quite good insights. Okay, so over here, for example, you can click on the first wallet or any of the first, really. And then if you click on it, you'll be able to see what they're currently doing. Okay, and as you can see, they're doing quite well right now. Now, what you have to do is then simply copy this over here, and after you copy it, you can go to SoulScan, okay? So you're copying it just because you want to remember it for later, and then you want to go to SoulScan over here, and because those insiders usually have multiple wallets because they don't like being tracked and copy traded, usually you'll be able to see them inside SoulScan. So if you go to SoulScan and then into, for example, transfers over here, if they have another wallet, you'll be able to see it over here quite a bit of times. Okay, so most of the time you'll actually be able to diagnose it when you go to different pages over here, and then you can see in case there's a common wallet over here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I find insider wallets on Axiom, but of course there's many different ways, so you can use mine if you want to, but if not, of course, you're free to use your own way. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.